Let me show you how to make money online by creating long form or even short form cartoon animation videos or even create animation movies.
Jokes. Tell me.
Why did the cow go to outer space?
I'm not sure. Why?
To see the moon.
That you can easily use to start a new YouTube channel or even monetize other social media platforms like Facebook, like your Instagram or TikTok or just any other social platform. Stay on because I will also show you how to start a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. So you too can be making money in USD from YouTube and other social media platforms. I will reveal all of my hidden strategies that is making me make as much as 1,000 US dollars or even more with YouTube AdSense alone. Not to talk of other money that come from other things like deals like affiliate commissions and several other opportunities online. So what if I show you how to create long form or short form cartoon animation video like this one without you using any code or buying any tool online? And in just a few minutes, you can create any cartoon animation videos which you can use to start a monetized YouTube channel, create animation videos to monetize your Facebook page, your TikTok, your Instagram, or just any other social media handles. And if you're a marketer, yes, you can also use these animation videos and movies like this one to sell your products and services online. Or what if you just want to use this skill as a freelancer to help other people create animation videos like this, maybe for their channels, and then make between 10,000 to 100,000 per client, or even selling online to foreign clients and charging them a huge amount of money. Now, I have compiled a course that shows you exactly how to go about this from the very scratch. You don't need any code, like I said, or any computer knowledge to create movies and videos with cartoon animation. All you need is your laptop or your phone. You will also learn everything without any stress. I mean, the AI tool that we are going to be using in this course, they are free. It will create the entire storyline or script for you. Just before you close your eyes and open it again, your cartoon animation video or movie is ready. And you will get something much more beautiful than even what I am showing you on the screen right now, because I actually created this very short video just to show you using some of the skills I'm talking to you about. Then that is not all. If you get this course today, I will be giving you my free bonus course on how to start your own YouTube channel from scratch. How to set up your YouTube channel, how to customize it like a pro without spending hours or hiring anyone to do anything for you. In this free bonus YouTube training, I will also show you how to get viral videos that will give you several thousands of views even if you publish them on a channel with 0 subscribers. And of course, I will show you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers in less than 1 month. I mean, these are skills that I've used to build my own channels. I have more than one channel as I speak, and I've also used it to help other people build their own channels, and you'll be getting it as a free bonus in this course. So, if you're the type that desire to start a YouTube channel and maybe you don't always want to show your face, on screen, then you can simply quickly take the cartoon animation video course and then learn how to create short and long cartoon animation videos and movies, and then start publishing your own videos on your own YouTube channel. And if you also want to show your face, then this course I'm telling you is also perfect for you. Finally, there is something that I do for my students that no other person does online. Really, once you buy any of my course, I immediately add you to my private WhatsApp group where I can monitor your progress and help you one-on-one if you have any challenge or any question for me. And also, if you're a member of my private class, anytime I have new information and updates to help you make money and build your skills, you will always be the first to know about them. So if you want to get this course, then click the link in the video description and I will see you in the class. Please like this video and share so that people looking for amazing opportunities like this on your status and pages online can get to see it and also take advantage of it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.